So I'm using a medium worsted yarn and 8mm crochet hook. I will make a slip knot and I will chain 30. Okay, so in the second chain from the hook, which is this one, I'm gonna make a single crochet. If you're wondering why we don't make a single crochet in this one, because it's gonna be loose. Look, it's like I lost one chain, so it's always in the next one. So one single crochet and one single crochet in every chain. And these are my last two chains and the last single crochet. So from the next row till the end of my work, I'm gonna chain one in every row and single crochet in the very first stitch. So single crochet here and single crochet in every stitch across for the next 60 rows. So I'm using a bigger crochet hook so it is easy and fast to work. So I have finished 60 rows of single crochet of this piece, and now I'm gonna show you how to stitch everything together. So I'm gonna start stitching this side, then I'm gonna go on this side. So with the same crochet hook, I will chain one and then join the other extremity and slip stitch. And now I'm gonna slip stitch throughout here. Slowly. So I have finished stitching the sides of the square, the folded square, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it sideways and fold it into two, like this. And then I'm gonna stitch the downside. Once I come to the middle, I will fill it with the fiber fill and then continue closing the lower side. So I will slip stitch throughout. I'll join my thread or my yarn and slip stitch. So first part of the pillow finished, and this is how it looks like so far. And now we're gonna finish the final part, which is the standing part for the tablet. So what I'm gonna do, again, I'm gonna join the yarn and I'm gonna single crochet, chain one, single crochet in the same stitch, single crochet in every stitch. Slowly into the stitches. And I'm gonna continue with chaining one and single crochet for 15 rows, total of 15 rows, and then I'll come back to show you what to do next. This way, single crochet, and we'll continue for 15 rows, and then I'll show you what to do next. So here I have finished 15 rows of single crochet, and now I'm gonna continue. I will just pull the thread through first, and then I'm gonna stitch this side. So I'm gonna join the thread to the tapestry needle. Oops. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold it into two. So here you have the choice to either fill this folded side, or you can leave it as it is. The iPad will still stand on the pillow. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with this side. It's a normal stitch that I'm gonna do. So I'm not gonna cut the thread, I'm gonna just pass it through the empty side here. And I'll go straight to this side. And I'll continue stitching from here. And then I'm gonna continue and stitch this side as well. So simple. And here I'm done with the stitching, and I'm gonna hide the threads and then cut it all. And this is the tablet pillow finished. This is how it looks when the iPad is on it, and iPad, yeah, or tablet. So it's helpful if you want to watch anything on your iPad or you want to read something. You don't have to hold it all the time. So just place it in a pillow and you can scroll and use it. And this is the look of the pillow. Simple and easy, nothing complicated. That's it. So if you have any questions or any queries, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.